Jamaican-Canadian entrepreneur Kamisha Walters, CEO of Oasis Integrated Communications, recently won the Mantia Corporation BIPOC Entrepreneur Grant Award at the Women Empowerment Awards in Canada. She joins us now via Zoom as we join in celebrating her success. Good morning and congratulations, Kamisha.
Good morning and thank you so much.
I gotta say, Kamisha, one of the first things that stood out for me was that all the finalists were Jamaican Canadians. How cool was that?
That was super cool and super amazing, but I'll tell you a little secret.
Yes.
When I found out that I was a finalist, I said, my brother is always telling me, why don't you do your own publicity? And I'm saying, we need something newsworthy, relevant, timely, and so on and so forth. So I did my research and I found out that the other two finalists were also Jamaican. So I'm saying, well, would you look at that? This is something that I really need to share with the world. And so I called them up, told them I would do the publicity for free. I'll write the press releases, I'll get them the interviews, and I'll make sure that the entire Jamaica knows that we've won so they can be proud of us.
We love
well
nice.
done,
Don't
girl.
Each one we say. So tell me about your entrepreneurial journey. You said from 2010, you've been running your Amazing Prospects charity.
Right.
You grew up here in Jamaica. When did you leave us, Kim?
I actually left Jamaica in 2018, so it feels like a lifetime ago, but it really hasn't been that long. And in terms of the entrepreneurship journey, I started freelancing in Jamaica, and I actually worked with a few of the top marketing and communications agencies in the country. Mm-hmm. So I was doing all of this phenomenal work with clients like Grace, like Red Stripe, Hyundai. We helped to transform that brand to, it wasn't really liked as much, and to get it into the spotlight where people are buying the cars, loving the cars, and really associating themselves with the brand. So I was doing this kind of work before, and I had clients personally, like IGL was a huge client of mine before I launched my business. I actually helped to launch the first LNG powered vehicles in Jamaica as well, which was a partnership between IGL and New Fortress Energy. So I was doing great work before, and I toyed with the idea of launching a business. But it's when I got to Canada that it really sunk in, and I said, you know what, I think it's time to get started.
Yeah, but that's not easy, ladies. It's not easy in Jamaica. And I know a lot of Jamaicans who go overseas and have to change course because it's not easy getting into the field. How challenging was it for you to get into marketing and PR and to start your own business?
Okay, so to start the business is actually the easy part, right? Because if you want to come up with something, you want to create something to fill a need, and I think that's the main thing for me. I saw a gap, I saw where there could be a change, and I decided, hey, I'm going to take the chance right now. So setting up ads was actually the easy part of it. I was the one who came up with the name. My friends and family members helped me to put the logos together, the little fine details. But it's the mental fortitude that it takes to keep the business going.
So, I want to say, Darius, we can
grow.
Go on, Kim. I'm sorry. Yes.
It's a mental fortitude. I can tell you this, Simone and David. Like, I've never had so much rejection in my entire life, especially the past year, right? As entrepreneurs, as business owners, a lot of times we come out and you see all these beautiful pictures and you see me and Smile Jamaica and you think, oh, she's amazing, I need to do this. But it's taking those losses in stride and, working behind the scenes when you're crying and your friends and family members have to console you and to help to keep you going. It's that part of it that makes this journey an incredibly amazing one. Right? It's transformative in a way that I don't even know how to fully elaborate on it.
And it's that journey that makes this win even more sweet. What does this mean to you?
Oh, this is amazing to me. It means the world to know that my philanthropy, my work as a business owner is being recognized. I remember I was having a particularly difficult time, and my father said to me, defeat is an orphan, but success has many fathers. Mm-hmm. So to know that I've, had to manage so many defeats behind the scenes, and here I am now, this win is really putting me into the spotlight and showing people that, hey, I've been getting clients seen, heard, and remembered. And here I am now doing the same thing for my business and promoting Brand Jamaica on a totally different level where people can also see me and they can also see others who are shining and making a great example for themselves and others in Canada.
243 applicants. You emerge the winner. You get a grant of 10,000 Canadian. What you going to do, lady?
Okay. So, as I said, there's been a lot going on in the background, and I've been getting new clients. I've been building up my brand. And now with these funds, what I hope to do is to continue to build on what I've done so far. I've taken clients from ground zero to over 20,000 followers. I've, increased sales for them. I've boosted their website traffic. I've done a lot of stuff. What I want to do is to help to do this a little bit more for myself. Mm-hmm. I want to serve my clients. I want to build up businesses in Jamaica. So if you have a brand, if you have a business, if you're a brand manager, if you're a C-suite executive and you need more eyes on your business, talk to Kemisha Walters at Oasis Integrated Communications. Okay. I'm building my capacity. I'm doing a little bit more marketing and a little more exciting stuff in the background. So you need to watch out.
You just pitch yourself, Miss. Wickedly pitch. Nice. We say, oh, you win.
Love it.
Congrats, Kemisha. We are so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Good to have you. And all the best with your business. And say hi to Delia's mommy.
Thank you for having me.
Canada.
Yes,
sure. We'll do, Delia.
Yes, girl. CEO of Oasis Integrated Communications, Kemisha Walters.
All right, coming up in the next half hour, everybody, the design diva, Booker, is back in the building, pretty in pink this morning.
Woo-hoo.
Yes, second edition of News in 5 is first, though. We'll soon come back.